is vipi patazonas mko fiti? So what is in front of you hapa hivi naonyesha leo ni Hisense refrigerator 120 liters, a fridge going for only 34,500 Kenya shillings, rated at 1 star. Okay, rated at 1 star, has a 5 years warranty on the compressor. Okay, 5 years warranty on the compressor. It looks like that, very sleek, very beautiful. Okay, let me show you inside. Inside it looks like that. This is the top where it has the freezer. Okay, it's a really nice freezer, looks like that. And huku chini inakaa namna hii, also very nice. Has these compartments, these two compartments. So it is a very nice one for 120 liters. 120 liters looking like this is really nice. So yeah, inakaa namna hiyo. Come and get this one right here at Patterson. Karibuni sana.
It's a fever, take my head to the beginning,